Hello guys, today we'll analyze one very famous small cap stock which is Affle India. So this stock has given 43% returns in last 1 year. The current price of this stock is around 4015 rupees as on 24th August. If we see the 52-week high of this stock, it is around 6285, but the current price is around 4000 rupees. So we can say that stock is already trading at a 35% discount from its 52 weeks high price. The company is into communication services into the advertising segment, having a market cap above rupees 10,000 crores. The PE ratio of the stock is around 80, but when we compare it to sector PE, it is around minus 15. So the PE ratio is more, but one positive thing is that PE ratio isn't positive for the company, which means that it is able to generate profits while other companies in the sector are not able to generate profits. The PB ratio of the stock is 46, while sector PB ratio is 5.40. Now the company is providing marketing consulting services. Also, the company operates through consumer intelligence platform that delivers user engagement and helps in mobile advertising. 50% of the analysts have recommended to buy this stock. So having a glance at Affle India, it is a global technology company, leader in India, having a profitable business model and good strategic growth plan. Company's segments are consumer platform through which it earns 98% of its revenue, while second one is enterprise platform where they help offline businesses to go online, which helps in earning 1.8% of the total revenue. Company has a global reach, but its 49% of the revenue comes from India, while remaining is international revenue. It has many patents registered under its name. Financial summary will discuss it later. Some of the recent important events related to company where one is Google changed its policies related to cookies. So they were under the discussion because campaigners were using consumer data for marketing purposes, and Google confirmed that it is aiming to make third-party cookies obsolete by 2022. Now, this was the major reason why stocks started declining from 6,000 level. The positive news for the company is that insiders of the company are buying the shares of Affle India, and there is no selling of Affle India shares by the insiders as of now. Also, Affle India is planning to split this stock, and there is a board meeting for taking this decision on 26th of August. Now, the major business of the Affle India is converting the users for their clients, and for this they have more than 2.2 billion connected devices, and they have converted more than 105 million users. We can see that converted users are more in FY21 when we compare it with FY20. Also, the average cost per converted user has declined in FY21, which is a good sign. Revenue is also increasing. Having a look at the whole global ecosystem, then company has variety of devices connected and the numbers are in billions. In India, the digital user base is growing at a CAGR of 11.4%. While if we look globally, the digital ad spend, the CAGR is 9%, while mobile ad spend CAGR is 11.3%. But in India, the CAGR of mobile ad spend is 32.4%, and e-commerce market is growing at a 24% rate. So this is a phenomenal news for the Indian market as well as for Affle India particularly. Now, if you look at the company's primary market, they are India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and Africa, Latin America. Other key markets for the company are North America, Europe, Japan, Korea, and Australia. Affle India is also acquiring lot of companies in their space. Some of them are Revex, Appnext, Discover Tech, Bobble, MediaSmart, Chauffeur, Visory, and company has diversified verticals. They have verticals like category E, which includes e-commerce, edtech, entertainment. And the category F, there are fintech, FMCG, Food tech. Under category G, they have gaming, government, groceries, and category H has health tech. Now 90% of their revenue comes from these four categories. They are also increasing revenue diversity, which means earlier 64.5% of their revenue came from top 10 customers, but now it is only 42.8%, which is positive for the company. They have a strong track record, and in last 3 years the CAGR for revenue is 45.7%, EBITDA 42% approx, and profit after tax at 55% approx. If we look at their return on equity, it is around 37.6%, return on capital employed almost 20%, return on assets is 18%, gross debt to equity ratio is 0.33, while net debt to equity ratio is 0.15. Now guys, these figures are from the March quarter, but in June quarter, the return on equity for the company is more than 42%. Now guys, can you imagine a return on equity of more than 40%? This is very huge and very good sign for the company. They also have a CAGR of 35% in operating cash flow growth. So company has impressive figures. If we look at the shareholding information, then approx 60% of the holding is with promoters. Mutual fund, banks, insurance have 7%. FII and FCBs approx 25%, and others having 8.6%. If we look at the past earnings growth, then in the last 5 years, company has grown their net income by 47%, while industry has only grown their earnings by 3%. You can clearly see that company has outperformed the industry in the recent years. Even in last 1 year, company has grown their earnings by 113%, which is again a very outstanding performance by the company. Now we'll have a look at the chart of Affle India. So guys, this is the chart of Affle India on a 1 day time frame. Now one thing which we can clearly see is the downtrend in the stock since the month of March. But I can find one support for the stock at the level of 4060. But currently stock is below this support, and if somebody is already invested in this stock, I think they should hold on to this stock and they can continue being invested. But if someone is looking for a fresh entry, then I would suggest them to enter in this stock when it crosses this level of 4060. For on the safer side, you can say 4100. And if stock manages to cross this level, then it could face another resistance at the level of 5100. So guys, this was all from this video. If you like the content in this video, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.